Hello boys and girls, after 2 months of almost everyday repairs and final touches, the AMG Mercedes is finally completely restored, and now it's time for some upgrades. The first upgrade is an extremely rare factory LSD from CLS 63 AMG, equipped with additional P30 performance package. I checked the differential oil and it looked clean. That's why I've decided just to clean and repaint and install it. Let's make a quick sound check on a stock open header. Open header, fire in the hole. After that, I've decided to remove the stock headers and proceed to the installation of race headers. The kit contains the headers, downpipes and race cuts. It was stated as a bolt-on, but unfortunately I've had to make a lot of fabrications to make it fit correctly. Once I've managed to install the headers correctly, I remove them again and wrap the header pipes in thermal-isolating wrap and take the car to the exhaust shop to make the downpipes fit correctly. But before that, let's do another sound check on open headers. I have to make some transmission control module modifications to make it work with a shorter differential final drive.
Пусни спирачката. Дай газ малко. Добре, гаси!
After driving about 1000 kilometers, I noticed a potential issue with recently installed differential. To address this, I've decided to perform a preventive oil replacement and discovered metallic dust particles in the rear differential oil. Do you have any idea if that's normal for a LSD unit? I think you might have suggestion for what the next video is going to be.